Amrita Shirgi, our correspondent, now joining us live from Mumbai on the story. Amrita, you've been tracking the movements very, very closely, and we can see there's been constant back and forth, hectic parleys between both parties trying to sort of downplay the strain that is in fact getting, just sort of intensifying as the days go by. If you can, for our viewers, just sort of shed light on the timeline of events and what exactly is going to happen today.
See, there is one important meeting today, that is core committee meeting of BJP that will start at 9:30 this morning. Yesterday there was an important day because at around 12:15 in the afternoon there was core committee meeting of BJP and all the BJP senior leaders were present there. Om Prakash Mathur was there and the other leaders of Maharashtra BJP were in that meeting, and in a second half of the day there was a meeting of Yuva Sena Chief Aditya Thackeray and Om Prakash Mathur. That was an important meeting, and Aditya Thackeray clearly said that there will be alliance. So now it is clear that the alliance will not break, but seat sharing issue is still the conflict. Shiv Sena is saying that we can give 119 seats to BJP if they want to continue with the alliance, and BJP is saying that we want more seats. Now what is the new formula is not clear. Not even BJP leaders, not even Shiv Sena leaders have cleared the new formula, but they have said that we will come with the conclusion in next 24 hours almost. So this is an important day today. There will be core committee meeting of BJP. We will wait and have to see what new formula they give to Shiv Sena, what Shiv Sena's reply on that, because now the ball is in Shiv Sena's court. Shiv Sena have to decide whether they accept the formula given by BJP or they give new formula to BJP. That is an important factor, but now at least this is clear that the alliance will not break. There will be alliance, but there has to be some new formula. Back to you.
Amrita Shirgi, thank you so much for bringing us that update. We'll continue to track the story as it develops.